Good afternoon. We have a blizzard warning in effect for tonight in southeastern KELOLAND with a low near 7 below Sioux Falls, 10 below Aberdeen, 13 below in Pierre, and 18 below in Rapid City. And strong winds will continue with a high of only 3 below Sioux Falls, 1 below in Aberdeen, 5 below in Pierre, and 6 below in Rapid City, which means we have a wind chill warning in effect through Tuesday morning. We'll take a closer look at that with your blizzard warning coming up. KELOLAND's First at 4 starts right now.
Live from KELOLAND Media Group. KELOLAND News, First at 4.
Winter weather is back in KELOLAND. What you need to know about the wind chill warnings and the blizzard conditions.
Plus, the Iowa caucuses are quickly approaching. A preview of the candidates and the events.
And later, USF is ending its J term. What that means for the students and the university. Good afternoon, and thanks for tuning in to First at 4. I'm Don Jorgensen.
And I'm Kelly Volk. First came the snow, now comes the wind and cold. People in KELOLAND will be dealing with blizzard conditions heading into the weekend. The extreme wind chills and blowing snow have some travelers leaving Sioux Falls early to beat the weather.
I'm not one of those guys that's going to go 100 miles an hour and try to drive normal when the weather and the road conditions aren't suitable.
The city of Sioux Falls declared a snow alert this afternoon. We caught up with a trucker getting ready to brave the drive in the bad weather. Find out how he prepares for the cold and wind tonight at 6.
Well, with the snow already on the ground and more on the way, it's important to clear that area around your gas meter. Snow and ice around and on the meter can put extra stress on the gas regulator, meter, and piping. If any of those break, you could have a gas leak. So if you smell natural gas, call your gas company. All right, let's get a look. Have you been outside much today?
I have. I was out checking the conditions in the rural areas.
That wind chill, it's biting.
Yeah, and it's going to get worse, right, Megan?
That is right, Kelly. We have the blizzard warning in effect tonight through tomorrow night and a wind chill warning in effect now through Tuesday morning. Here is a look at those blizzard warnings in the areas in white in southeastern KELOLAND. That is from about Brookings to Huron and Point South, including Sioux Falls and Yankton. We have a winter weather advisory in blue in northeastern and central South Dakota. All of this is for that blowing snow. The snow has come to an end in the Sioux Falls area, but we do still have that thick cloud cover sitting right now at 4 above zero, a north wind at 16 miles an hour. But once you get outside, visibility is dropping because of the blowing snow, like in Yankton, sitting at 0 degrees, northwest winds at 29. Here is a look at the snow showers coming to an end in southeastern KELOLAND. We have light snow showers moving now into western South Dakota as well. Those will push their way into eastern KELOLAND by tomorrow morning. Right now, 6 below in Winter, 0 in Brookings, 1 below in Watertown, 11 below in Buffalo. And we have a strong north to northwest wind right now at 15 to 30 miles an hour with some even higher wind gusts. So you pair that with our cold temperatures and we have some wind chills. Minus 26 in Yankton, minus 23 in Watertown, minus 37 in Buffalo. And due to these cold wind chills, we do have that wind chill warning now through Tuesday morning, where those could drop as low as minus 50. So frostbite is possible in under 10 minutes. For tonight, strong northwest winds blowing snow, 7 below the low in Sioux Falls, 10 below in Aberdeen, 13 below in Pierre, and 18 below in Rapid City. The blowing snow will continue as we head into tomorrow, and so will those cold wind chills. We'll take a closer look at the rest of your weekend coming up.
Thanks, Megan. With the Iowa caucuses just 3 days away, the weather is becoming a big factor. Blizzard conditions have forced candidates to cancel some events or switch to virtual rallies, with temperatures forecast to be in negative double digits on caucus night Monday. Many are wondering how the bitter cold will impact voter turnout. Natalie Brand reports from Des Moines.
Heavy snow snagged campaign plans, with time running out for Republican presidential candidates to make their case to Iowa caucus goers.
We had to rearrange the schedule, but we're out working hard.
The weather did not stop Florida Governor Ron DeSantis from holding some campaign stops Friday, but the super PAC supporting him postponed other events. Former UN Ambassador Nikki Haley switched her rallies to virtual only.
I definitely know I'm not in South Carolina anymore. It is beyond cold.
Polls put the two candidates in a tight race for second place, well behind former President Donald Trump. The big question, how will record low temperatures forecast for Monday impact turnout?
The weather will probably affect some people from coming out. I think for the next couple days, people will probably just not want to be on the roads.
The storm comes as some Iowa voters are still trying to make up their minds, like Doug and Ann Goodall.
From talking to voters, it sounds like there's a lot of people still undecided right now. Why do you think that is?
I think a lot of people who might have been Trump before and don't want to vote for him this time are just trying to figure out more about the choices between Haley and DeSantis. I mean, that's where we are.
While Iowa is the first contest in the nation, the state's top pick doesn't often end up in the White House.
Only 3 times between the two parties has a caucus winner ever gone on to win the presidency.
Drake University political science professor Dennis Goldford says historically the caucuses do help narrow the field. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Des Moines, Iowa.
Officials are investigating a wind turbine collapse near the Nebraska-Colorado state line yesterday morning. Now, the images are unbelievable. Take a look at this. This tower near Sidney, Nebraska, twisted and folded in half, with the generator burning on the ground and billowing black smoke. At the time of the collapse, winds were between 16 and 24 miles an hour. There were gusts up to 31 miles an hour. The area also saw light freezing rain and ice fog, followed by light snow at the time of the collapse. The exact cause is still unclear at this time.
Coming up after the break, the U.S. and